Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today we'll be learning how to download Instagram Reels, and now let's dive right in. Now to download Instagram Reels, first open up your Instagram app, guys. And in order to proceed, you need to know a thing, that is, you'll not be able to save the Instagram Reels direct to your stories on your phone, but you will be able to save the Reels on your Instagram account itself. So with that being said, guys, let's go to the Reels section of the Instagram. You can see there is the Reels button at the bottom right corner of the screen, just beside the profile picture. And let's pause this now. In order to download or save a reel, at the bottom right corner of the screen you can see there is the three dotted icon just below the airplane or the share icon over here. You can see it, and if you tap on it, guys, this menu will appear where you will be able to find the save button at the left side of the screen. You can tap on the save, and either you can create a new collection over here, or you can just save it to your old private collections, and I'll be saving to my private collections. And guys, this is how to download Instagram Reels. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.